Marami akong na-receive ng mga sampal sa mga career ko. Never ako masasanay sa sampal. I remember one of the most memorable sampal ko was from Maha Salvador. Kasi dancer yun. I think the power came from the left leg. Hindi kaliwete siya yung right leg. It traveled sa hips. Nag-press siya ng gano'n. And then nasa shoulders siya ng gano'n na biglang gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, she's gonna be my friend. Kasi friends na kami. But si Jody is really a kind person. Very maalaga. But you never get used to someone. So you never know when it's going to come. Diba? I never tell them on this, on this word, tsaka bitaw na yun. But subtlety was always the key for me. Especially for this show. When I started as a young actor, paganon ako ng paganon. I had to learn how to like be more like little up to like wala na subtlety. Like, you have to master that. Mahirap gawin sa soap. Because it's soap. How do you do that, diba? So over the years, you kind of have to like hanapin mo talaga yun. So you have to prepare. You have to know your character very well.
This being on Netflix, lalong na lumawak yung reach. Alam natin, kilala ka na nga sa Asia. Diba? Kaya na kaya. So ano yung memorable experience ka ba abroad? Kasi
Yeah, Africa.
Anong...
Malaysia, Africa. Before social media. Dinosaur. Before social media, there were dinosaurs. And then, Africa, I got invited to Ghana. I landed in Ghana. This is in East Africa. East or North? Sorry, East. Anyway, Google na lang natin muna. Hindi ako sigurado. Alam ko East Africa siya. Ghana. And then I was invited to sing. And I land and get to the airport and they were shouting, "Angelo! Christian! Christian! Angelo!" Wow! Sino tumatawag sa akin? Diba? Mga brothers natin na African, diba? Hinahabol nila ako sa oh my God, so they really loved the show. Malaysia, pangako sa'yo was phenomenal, and then of course it opened the doors for other shows, and of course my shows namin dati. So I was known in these areas, and I'm so excited for them to see the change and how we progressed as show creators and as Filipinos, because isa tayo talaga sa pinakamagaling. So there's pride from pabalik na kami, ito na kami ulit. So hopefully, gumapang.
Naisip ko